Stop scrolling. If you're still generating AI videos one prompt at a time, manually typing it, waiting and repeating it, and even feeling exhausted before you even finish your story, this particular video is for you. There is a new update that completely changes the game. In this video, I'll show you how to generate your AI video prompts at once in bulk using the latest Grok AI automation updates. No more manual stress, no more scene by scene frustration, just batch creation magic. Let's move further. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Grok automation. You will see different results. Don't get confused right here. Click the one that says Grok Automation Auto Grok on grok.com Chrome Web Store. Make sure this particular one has this particular symbol. Open it and click on Add to Chrome. Once installed, click on Awesome. Now go to your browser extension tabs. Select Grok Automation. That's one we just added to our extension browser. Click on Navigate to Grok, and immediately your screen splits into two panels. On one side, the normal Grok interface. On the other side, the Grok Automation control panel. If it looks small, don't panic. What you need to do is to resize it using this small arrow. Now, this is where the magic begins. On the right panel, that's your bulk creation control center. On the left panel, you'll see the generation progress. Before you start, you need to put some settings right. Under the control section, choose your mode, either text to video, frames to video, text to image, or image to image. For this tutorial, we are going to be choosing text to video. Now, you need to adjust the settings. On the concurrent prompts section, select 1. On the prompt delay section, set your wait time between prompts. For this, I selected about 10 seconds wait time between prompts. Aspect ratio, I set mine as 16:9. You can set it based on your video type. Output per prompt, I selected 1. Video duration, how long you want your video to be, I selected 6 seconds. You can actually select 10 seconds, but due to the fact that I'm using this for free, I am only limited to 6 seconds max video duration. The download quality, I set mine at 720p, which is the highest one right here. Then after everything, click Save Settings so that everything will be locked in. If you forget to click on Save Settings, everything you just put in place vanishes. Now here's the powerful part. You don't need to manually write scene by scene prompts. You let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. So I go to ChatGPT for it to write my scene by scene prompt, which I'm going to paste in right here at this prompt section in this Grok automation generation. So I pasted in my story into ChatGPT and said, give me the scene prompts of this story inside a single copy paste box. Get that keyword right. Inside a single copy paste box. Make sure you add that so that it gives the same prompt in a whole copy paste box. So immediately ChatGPT generates multiple scenes, each separated by a line space. An important thing you should note is that make sure there is a clear line between each scene prompt. That spacing allows the automation tool to recognize them as separate prompts and treat them as separate prompts. Copy everything that ChatGPT gave you as the result of your prompt right now is in a single copy paste box. Then paste into the Grok automation panel at this very place that says prompt. Watch what happens. Immediately, the system automatically splits them, and in my case, it turned into 27 prompt scenes instantly. Now click on Run. And just like that, on the left panel, you see the progress, 3 of 27 generated, just like what you're seeing right here, right now. Right now, you can see 15 of 27 generated. You can literally go drink water while this works, and it even downloads automatically if you enable that option. So while it generates a particular prompt or a video for one particular prompt, which is generating just from what you gave to it, it immediately downloads it. Click on download, and this will be saved on your device. So there's no stress, no repetitive typing, no burnout. By the end, you have a full set of AI generated scenes ready to combine in your video editor. Put the clips together and boom, a full cinematic video was created in bulk without any stress. Just within some few minutes, you are done. If this tip just saved you hours of work, I want you to do me a favor. Share this video to someone you feel that needs it. Like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment.